Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the steps on how to restrict Roblox from accessing your files and media on your PC after the recent update. Privacy is crucial, especially when it comes to online gaming, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Roblox website. Once you're on the homepage, you're ready for the next step. Next, look at the address bar on your browser. There, you'll see a small icon or a symbol indicating the current site's security settings. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Now, you'll want to find the option labeled Site Settings. Click on that to open the permissions for the Roblox website. This is where the real customization happens. Once in Site Settings, scroll down until you see the Permissions section. Here, you can adjust what Roblox is allowed to access on your computer. If you see permissions that you want to restrict, simply toggle them off. This may include options like accessing your camera, microphone, or even files and media. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll have greater control over your privacy while enjoying Roblox. Remember, keeping your personal information safe is essential while gaming online. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.